Hello, William, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I hope that you actually find this video insightful. I'm going to be covering the website, the front page, the content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see here that you have the click to call button, you have the email address and print this page, and you have links to the different services that you provide. So home remodeling, kitchen, bath, and flooring. And you have here the areas that you serve. Very nice pictures of the jobs that you perform. The reasons why people should work with you. And the footer. So there are a few things that you could do. So for example, in the footer, you could have the contact details as well. So just as you actually navigate through your website, there will be visible anywhere you go. You could have the location, you could have the directory of your website. You could also have a little bit more content, and I will go into this a little bit more detail in a minute. You could make this click to call button a little bit bigger, have the contact us form at the top. You could include, for example, a little bit a brief intro to the company and some testimonials and reviews from your customers, just to actually signal to your potential customers to take action to call you, right? Now, in terms of the content, right now your homepage has 345 words. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words because that's the sweet spot for Google. Google likes to see content. And through content, whenever Google scrolls your website, it's going to be able to understand what your website is about. And if you have in there relevant buyer intent keywords, then whenever someone performs the search for certain keywords, then your website is Google is going to start ranking you, and it's going to start indexing you, and you're going to be able to appear as one of those results for those searches. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So you have DB Home Improvements. These guys have 633 words, and for St. Lucie Kitchen Remodel, these guys have 1,524 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there is just to increase the content of your website and make sure that it's not only more, but including their relevant buyer intent keywords. So I came here to the Google search and I type in home remodeling Port St. Lucie. The first section that you see is the Google Ads. This section is really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank at the top, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank at the top. And then the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search. And to rank here in the Google Organic Search, you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Arifs, and this tool is saying to me, so first of all, look, overview, no page title. This is a very important element to signal to Google what your website is about. So you are actually missing that opportunity there. But anyway, talking about and going back to backlinks, this tool is telling me that there are 6 external websites directing traffic towards your website through 13 backlinks. If I have a look at DB Home Improvements, these guys have 45 external websites directing traffic through 296 backlinks, and these guys over here have 520 referring domains directing traffic through 1,900 backlinks. So you actually want to have a look at that backlink profile. Just make sure that it's not only about having more backlinks, but having powerful backlinks that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. And remember, this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. Now your website is being found for 4 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what those keywords are. So I can see that you are ranking for home remodeling Port St. Lucie, flooring installation, kitchen remodeling, and kitchen remodeling. The search volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search for those particular keywords. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So it means that the website is not capable of generating traffic, right? If I have a look at DB Interior, these guys are ranking for 240 keywords. And in here, let me just filter this. Port St. Lucie. I think it's easier just to type Lucy. Okay, so they are ranking in the top positions for some of the buyer intent keywords, but let's have a look at the volume. So home remodeling Port St. Lucie has a search volume of 100. Kitchen remodeling Port St. Lucie 80. And because they are in the fourth position for home remodeling, they were able to drive 10 visits to their website. Kitchen remodeling Port St. Lucie, they're in the 11th position and see not even 2 visits to their website. Kitchen remodeling Port St. Lucie. So these ones, they are already ranking beyond the 10th position. So what you really want to do here is that you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, and then another percentage they're going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And the way to do that is to identify those keywords that have higher search volumes and include them in the content of your website. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and also please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.